Hi everybody, welcome to Charlie Tech channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. So now let's get into it. So if you like the video, please put a like button or subscribe to my channel for more video tricks or photo tricks on Photoshop, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Premiere Pro. You can also leave a comment, let me know what you like, what you didn't like, what I could improve, ideas of photo tricks, video tricks for which you would like to have a tutorial. And yeah, let's get into it now. So let's first look at the picture to understand what kind of assets are in the picture. The first part is myself. So I took a picture of myself on my sofa. And I also use a blanket because I thought that it might add some extra effect to the photo composition I was going to make. Then the second part is I took a picture of a computer. This is not my computer, but you could use your computer and your desktop, or you can use a picture from Canva. Additionally to that, I also added a background because I didn't like too much the wall of my place. And I also added then pirates and some plants just to add to the atmosphere of the picture. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is to open the file, the picture on which I'm in the sofa, because we are going to crop it. And so I just opened Photoshop, and I'm going to go to my folder, choose video, YouTube banner, tuto file, and I'm going to take Mexicano on the sofa. Okay, so now let's remove the background. So here, the first thing you are going to do is to make sure that it's unlocked. So you click on the layer, you unlock like that. Here you're going to use the quick selection tool. So you can click here and you can click and hold to see the different tools. So here we want to select quick selection tool. We are going to take a brush of maybe, let's say, 17 pixel. And we are going to increase the size to see better what we do by holding Alt and using the wheel on your mouse. And then I can start selecting. I will refine it after. I could even, so I'm going to move that. To move that, I can press V to select this tool, the move tool. So otherwise you will not be able to move it. And then I can select W to go back. I'm going to increase the size a bit better. Okay. Up to select quickly what I need. I'm just going to try to select the top of the sofa because the screen will be here. Like that, there will be all of this, the guitar and the blanket that will get out of the computer, as well as my feet, is to increase some effect. So, okay, I'm trying up to select whatever I can. I will correct it with a smaller size after. Tack, up, back, back, tack. To move my picture on the right, I press Alt and I go to the right. Okay. So in order to be more precise, I'm going to go here. I'm going to decrease the size, maybe to 7. To zoom in, Alt and the wheel. And I'm going to do things a little bit better. Up. To remove some selection, I press Alt. And I increase. Then I move it with spacebar. I zoom with Alt and the wheel. To remove selection, I press Alt and click up. Okay. To move space. Okay. Space to move. Up. It's okay. I'm going to take the entire up. I don't want that. Alt. Okay. Alt. So I let you do that, and we talk to each other in a bit. I will finish that. Okay. So when I'm happy of my selection, I can go to, I click on mask here, up, and here we go. So here I have myself without background. So now I need to export this picture because I'm going to do the rest in Canva. File, export, export as. And I'm going to put export up. I'm going to put it in the banner to file. I'm going to add that it is cropped. Save. So now let's go to Canva. In Canva, why Canva? Why not Photoshop? So I could do it in Photoshop as well, but Canva is very easy to use. And so I prefer to do this tutorial on Canva, especially that you can have a free version and you can do lots of things. Canva is a wonderful tool. If you don't know it already, you should definitely know it. So I'm going to click on create a design and I'm going to consider that we want an Instagram post. But you can choose whatever format you want. You can also change the format once you open it. So I'm going to click Instagram post. Here, if you want, you can, where is it? You can resize if you want. I'm not going to resize. I think it's perfect. I'm going to add the assets that I've created. Go into my folder where I have my image cropped. I'm going to drop it here, up in log. And you see here, I had already done it, but with another computer, just to show you. Okay, so the first thing I want is a picture of a computer. So I'm going to go to photo here. I'm going to put computer. Whoop. I have some nice one. I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to move it a little bit. So I double click and then I can move it. I'm going to put it in the center, up. Okay, so let's first put an image of the background. So we can put, photo. I had already one that I found, so I'm just going to use this one. And I want it to be exactly the size of this computer. Perfect. And I'm going to move it a little bit because what I like is mainly this shadow of the plant. Up, like that. And here we go. I would say even a bit like that. Okay, maybe move it to the left to be center. No, stop. Here we go. Then I just need to add myself. So it is in my upload. I put myself here. I reduce my size a little bit. Put myself to the right. Up. Going up. Just need up. Up. Here we go. Maybe I go up. And here we go. So what else do we need? I would like to add some palms and maybe a parrot because I like it. So I can go into parrot. Okay, so we are in upload. I go to photo. There are some palms, so I'm just going to put some palms. I'm going to move it a little bit like that because I like it. Then I'm going to add a palm like that. I'm going to add it maybe like that. I want to have a parrot. And I'm going to use this one because I like it. I like the color of it. I'm going to put it a bit smaller, like that he represents his, and I go down like that is on the screen. And I want, so I right click to put it behind the palm. So I send backward, and here we go. So now we are done. You can add different things. You can look into Canva, see if there are maybe different things you would like to add, some colors, or maybe some small object that you could add to make it a bit less white. So then if you want to export, you go to share, and here you can download, and you can download here. So you click it, hop, and here it goes. Let's go see the result. Downloads. And here we go. I hope you liked it. You can put a like button if you liked it. You can subscribe to the channel for more video or photo tricks. I also work a lot on Adobe After Effects. And also, please be welcome. Put a comment. Tell me if you liked, if you didn't like, if there was things that were difficult for you to understand. Anything that I could do to improve. It was my first tutorial ever, so thank you very much. Have a good day.